right, we are back, baby. Insurance mini-series presented by Paragon Roofing. We're on episode 12 here. Common objections and how you can handle them. These are objections that we hear daily from insurance companies. It's to the point now where these objections seem so scripted. It's like a Hollywood movie. You can almost tell what insurance company a customer has by the type of objection they're telling us they're getting from their insurance company. And contractors that are watching this, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. Like, we don't cover that, that's wear and tear. Name that insurance company, drop it in the comments. So that's the first one, that's wear and tear. So the insurance company may come out and just say, hey, I don't see any storm-related damages. This just looks like normal wear and tear. So I'll tell you what, normal wear and tear does not create dents and punctures into shingles like hail does. So whenever you get this type of rebuttal from the insurance company, that's wear and tear. Ask questions. What makes you say that? How should it have worn? What do we think caused the damages that are seen up there? Why are there widespread bruises? Why do I have these dents that don't appear to be something that would have happened from normal wear and tear? So definitely ask those questions, but make sure that you provide thorough documentation to the insurance company, including photos, reports from your contractor showing that there was a storm event at that property. And even better, if you can take photos and videos of the storm occurring during that date of loss, that's going to help you out tremendously. And so insist on a proper inspection and presenting that evidence of storm damage to the insurance company. So the insurance company may argue that certain required items aren't actually covered, maybe because they say they're not enforced. But check inside of your policy. Now you know how to go look for those endorsements. Do I have an endorsement for code coverage? So make sure you push back, ask for clarification on that when you're dealing with, we don't pay for that, or something is not covered. So the insurance company may say that their estimate includes everything that's needed, but make sure that you grab your contractor and sit down and identify any of those missed line items to put together a detailed supplement to present over, and ensure that your contractor and the insurance company and you are all on the same wavelength, and that they understand everything's going to be done according to minimum building standards. Everything's going to be done according to the shingle manufacturer specs, and we're not cutting any corners. So insurance companies may say they have a preferred vendor who can do that. Make sure that you insist on using your own contractor. If the insurance company tries to tell you you have to use one of their preferred vendors or contractors, ask for that documentation in writing. Could you send me the policy excerpt with the surrounding language stating that I have to do that? And if so, I will. If not, I'm going to use my guy that I trust. So staying proactive and informed. So be prepared to challenge any arguments for wear and tear. And so make sure that you understand that if you pull your policy up and hit F9, this will allow you to search the PDF. Search for ensues, ensuing, results, or resulting. These four terms here are going to point you towards an ensuing loss provision in the event that it's in your policy, and it's typically at the very end of the exclusions section. It'll exclude 14 to 20 different items, and then it'll say if everything is code compliant, and make them prove it in the event they're not going to pay for it. Ask for that policy language. Submit supplements with all the proper documentation. Be sure to reject any lowball estimates from preferred vendors, and make sure you provide detailed evidence to refute claims of insufficient damage. I promise you, persistence will win. If you have the damage, you have the documentation, and you don't give up, you can win every one. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.